everyone, so today I have a fabulous property to show you. It's really nice. I set the dogs off. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, fantastic pool in the sun all day. I can't wait to show you this one, so come along with me. So this is the property. You have got a pedestrian gate there, and just over here you've got off-road parking. This is the road. We are of course on A sector this morning. So guys, let me show you around these beautiful gardens in here. As you can see, look at that, plenty of shrubs and plants. The flowers are all in bloom and established trees and everything. It's really, really nice. Now I'm going to take you up here. Do you know what? I'll actually take you around the garden the opposite way before I take you into the main house. We'll have a look at the underbuild. Shall we do that? So you got a few steps down here. Now you've got a lovely apartment here. So when you have family and friends around, you have somewhere to put them up. So you've got a lovely outside table and chairs there, and just here is the underbuild. So this is the underbuild that has been reformed. It's like a little apartment now. So as I come in here, as you can see, there's a little kitchenette here. You have your sink and drainer, granite effect worktop. You've got a washing machine, a dishwasher and a fridge and a cupboard. And just down here is the underbuild section. That's absolutely huge, because you got your tank in here, your boiler, and you got another boiler just there. It's huge in here. And just down right at the bottom, you got your pump room in there. And it just goes on, you know. So great space. You got your workbench for him indoors. So just go around here, have a look. So in here is your bathroom. Got a sinking pedestal, WC, and you've got your shower unit there as well. You've also got a mirror with a little cupboard, you know, for your bits and bobs, and lights. Now just in here is a lovely bedroom. As you can see, I'm going to go over here. So beautiful bedroom, and you got that nice double wardrobe. It's very shabby chic looking. Really nice double bedroom for guests. Very nice. There's mirrors everywhere. So look at this. And this is another fabulous bedroom with his and her wardrobes. It's a great underbuild, I have to say. Great apartment for anybody. You know, really, really very nice. So I will take you to the main house. I'm going to take you out in and around to the garden, and you can see the pool area. This place is absolutely huge. So you got this lovely area just to sit here, and that's all the way up to the front there. So you got your lemon tree here, so you can have your ice and a slice. You've got orange trees here, you've got peach trees here. He did name quite a few different types. He's got plenty of fruit trees here, you know, which is great if anyone has some green fingers. So up here is the pool area. Just showing you the pool area now. You've got a lovely seating area just there. The shower is just here. Barbecue over there. Fabulous pool, very wide. You have a little gate there into your plants and shrubs if you need to water them. The garden is irrigated, mind. And I just give you this at a different angle. Really very nice. Absolutely pristine. So the walls are raised for privacy. You've got lovely decorative balustrades there. And this is it's a beautiful all-round house, really. So this is a Cibeles style as well. So you have that open terrace, or the domed terrace, I should say. So let's have a look. Really, really very nice outside space. So here is your domed terrace. I always used to say it's a D section, but I think domed seems, or half domed is better. You have, of course, just up here, you've got the blinds to pull down if it's a bit windy. It's really lovely here. You can sit out here and enjoy a cocktail. Beautiful seating area, as you can see. Really very nice. So on the terrace, obviously, they got their fridge, where they got their wine ready and everything, just to enjoy a drink out here. But I'm going to take you inside and we're going to have a look around. Just above me, of course, we have got ceiling light and fan as well. Keep you nice and cool in the summer. So as we walk in, as you can see, I'll just pan around this way. You've got a little vestibule there. So it's really nice little hallway. And as you can see, you have got central heating as well. So let me go back here and turn around and start this way. You got a little doggy there as well to greet me. So let me take you into this beautiful home. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that? You can see you've got central heating, you've got a gas fire at the bottom, you've got modern ceiling lights and fans. Really beautiful ambience and feel to this living room. You could just imagine the evenings in here feeling very comfortable and very relaxed. Obviously you've got 3 windows in the living room, giving it nice, just illuminating the room beautifully really during the day. So I'm just trying to walk around the room to give you a good feel of the room, because these rooms are quite large in Cibeles and they're quite exceptional. You can fit 3 sofas in here, believe it or not. So just over there is the archway, and I'm going to go over there and we're going to take it through to the master bedroom and the other bedrooms as well. So let's have a look in there first. So just in here, and as we go up here, you can see you've got dual aspect windows either side of the bed. Really beautiful large bed. You can fit a king or queen size bed in here. You have ceiling light and fan, you have aircon, and you have your central heating. I'm just going to come over here and pan around, give you a feel of the room at a different angle. Okay? So as I pan around, you've got twin wardrobes with overhead storage. Really large bedroom. And this bedroom comes with an ensuite bathroom. So let's have a look in there. So in here, it's an upgraded bathroom, as you can see. You've got your rain head shower. You've got a semi-frosted shower screen done in a kind of grey, which matches the floor tiles down below. You've got a lovely vanity unit and sink, and you've got a modern mirror just up there as well. You've got your WC, and you've got your central heating in here. You've got a frosted glass window there. It's really nice. So I'll give you a good feel for this bathroom. So let's go in here now. This is a guest bedroom. And in the guest bedroom you have your central heating radiator. You've also got your ceiling light and fan, and you have your aircon. Lovely bedroom. You can put a double bed in here, a small one. You got 2 single beds in here. So if I do a different angle of the room, you can see you've got your wardrobe with your overhead storage. Good size double bedroom. It's the smallest of the 3. So just going out here, I'm going through this link corridor that links the bedrooms. You have got a shower room here. Now this shower room has a WC. You've got your frosted glass window there. You've got a mirror. And you have your sink just there and your pedestal. Really nice second bathroom. So let me take you into the next bedroom. So in here is the next bedroom. It has got bunk beds, but you can put a double bed in here. You got your radiator here. You also have your aircon, and you have a ceiling light and fan as well there. This again will take a double bed in here. And if I pan around, you can see you've got double wardrobes with overhead storage. It looks out over the garden, which is really nice. So let me take you back inside and we'll have a look at the kitchen area and the dining area. So another quick look at this beautiful living space. Now just in here is your dining area. As you can see, it's really beautiful. You have your radiator in here and you've got a lovely chandelier above. Now in some places they do take this wall down here out and just open it up. Some people put an island in there, makes it a little bigger. And I've seen them block up that doorway and bring the kitchen around as well. So there's a lot you can do and put your own stamp on when you do buy your own property here in Spain. So just here is a fabulous kitchen. You've got plenty of top and base units. You've got your sink and drainer, your electric hob and electric oven, your dishwasher and your fridge freezer. Just pan around, really nicely tiled, lights underneath, and you've got this lovely trim here in the kitchen as well. And it's just an overall very pretty, lovely home, you know. So I'm going to go out the door now and I'm going to take you upstairs to the rooftop solarium. So I'll see you at the top of that stairs, guys. So let's go up. It's lovely and green here, isn't it? It's really beautiful. So let's go up. Did you know, fun fact, that the houses with these blue tiles are always considered a more luxurious house? And it shows a sign of wealth, apparently, here in Spain. Now I've reached the top. I'm upstairs. They do hang their washing here. They've got a washing line. But some people, and this is something else I'm going to show you now. There is eaves there. You could put a door there and break into it and make some storage. So up here is lovely. They have some beautiful views. I have known a property like a Cibeles to do an extra bedroom up here. You don't need that, of course, because this is a 5-bedroom property with 3 bathrooms. And just there, you could bang a door out and make some storage for yourself as well. It's a lovely area to sunbathe in private, and you've got a water point up here. I'll just show you over here some stunning views, and you can see the Spooner Mountains just over there. Really beautiful. So let me take you back downstairs and we'll have a chat. So guys, what a fabulous property. You got that. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom property, has fabulous outside space, and you got that really large, enormous underbuild. Plus you got that separate apartment down there as well. Now we're only 30 minutes from Cervera Airport, Murcia International. We're about 20 minutes to several beautiful beaches along the Costa.Calida. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@CAA1963.com, where the team are waiting for your call. So don't forget to share this video, because somebody out there, this might just fit their criteria. So until the next time, see you all again soon in the next video, and have an amazing day. Take care.